Okay, so the carpet's in the Cobra, but where your heels sit in a car, especially in a stick shift car, you're going to rub a hole in the carpet, so you need a floor mat of some sort. And I was looking around for that, stumbled onto COCO mats, which, you know, if you remember when we were kids, they went Volkswagen Bugs, that's about it. Maybe you saw them in a Porsche. I don't really know the difference. Anyway, I needed a floor mat. They send you a template, you cut it to the exact shape, and these fit my car exactly, but they are COCO mats. I kind of like them. Well, let's take a look. You tell me what you think about the COCO mats and the Cobra. I've mentioned before on my YouTube that I don't really like doing unboxing videos, but credit where credit's due. Let's take a look at how this came from COCO mats. The UPS driver actually marked this as a damaged package. My wife grabbed it. She says, they're just as mats. I bet they're okay. Anyway, let's pull these out. They're in a nice heavy-duty bag. Looks like it holds rocks or sand or something. Take a look at these mats, see what they look like. There's the front one and the back one. Let's look at the front side and the back side. These are really quality made mats. Let's take a look and see what they look like in the Cobra. Here we have the mats laying in the footwells of the Cobra, and they fit just perfect. They're made out of very heavy material, and they're spiked on the back so they dig into the carpet, and they are not going anywhere. They're not going to bunch up under the pedals or slide around. They're there to stay. Really happy with COCO mats.